Do you suffer with lower back pain? Consider the glutes. Greetings everyone. My name is Erin Hullender, and today I would like to share with you a natural way to relieve lower back pain. My question to you is, have you considered your glutes? Did you know that tight glutes and hips can contribute to lower back pain? Claire and Amber Davies, in their book titled The Trigger Point Therapy Workbook, say that people tend to think of their gluteus maximus as simply something to sit on. The truth is that without our gluteal muscles, we would literally fall on our face. We wouldn't be able to walk, to run, to jump, or even stand up. Of the 9 buttocks muscles, the gluteus maximus is the largest. Trigger points, which are knots or adhesions, can get embedded in the muscle tissue of the glute, decreasing circulation and causing pain in the lower back, the tailbone, the sacroiliac joint, and the buttocks themselves. The function of the gluteus maximus is hip extension, which is the action employed in straightening the leg when climbing stairs, for example. Jumping, running, and fast walking require the power of these muscles. They're only minimally active during easy walking. The gluteus maximus muscles contract strongly when you lean over with your knees bent to when you squat or do a deep knee bend. The glutes also help you get up from a sitting position. Gluteus maximus trigger points do not send pain very far. Depending on the trigger point's location, pain is felt in the lower back, the outer hip, the tailbone, the gluteal fold, or in the sacroiliac joint at the base of your spine. You may find yourself constantly changing position while you're seated due to a general aching and burning in the buttocks. Your hips may feel stiff. You may have difficulty getting out of a chair. You may even limp. Pain may come while rising from a low-seated position, for example, getting off of the toilet or getting up from a low car seat. If you can no longer bend over and touch your toes, part of the problem may be a shortening of the gluteus maximus muscles. So trigger points in your gluteus maximus, of course, they can disrupt the comfortable patterns of everyday life and cause much misery. Take Kenny, for example. He is 42 and a long-haul truck driver. He wasn't bothered as much by his chronic lower back pain as he was a constant aching and burning in his hips and gluteal area. It was impossible to find a comfortable sitting position. The long hours on the road became intolerable. He says, "I feel like I should look for another line of work, but I'd like my job just fine if my lower half were not in so much pain." Kenny's gluteus maximus muscles were adversely affected by sitting day in and day out behind the wheel of his truck. So practical treatment for a traveling man included working on his trigger points with a tennis ball in the sleep bed in the back of his truck's cab. He also found it helpful to stop more often and get out and stretch and walk around. So treatment, you can use a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, or even a baseball against a wall, which gives the best maneuverability for the glute massage. Press your glutes into the ball as you push into the wall at the same time. You want to feel around for areas of intense pain and then hold for about 30 seconds. Then move to another area of pain and repeat that process. Try doing this 3 to 6 times daily. Remember to breathe in and out using your nose as you massage. You may also try sitting on the ball for maximum pressure. This will definitely be more intense. In many cases, stretching the hip flexors 1 to 2 times daily helps to bring relief to the lower back and allow the abdominal muscles to do their job more effectively in everyday movements. Take courage, friends, that God can honor these natural approaches taken to invite healing. Claim the promise in Isaiah 40:29. He giveth power to the faint, and to them that have no might, he increases strength. What an encouragement in our time of need. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, Please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else. May God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.